Good evening, friends. You must be fit and fine at your places now. Today I will start with Magic of Words on page number 10. In this Magic of Words, we have topic called famous quotations, words said by famous people. These famous people have done very good deeds, and we remember these people by their quotations. There have been many great people in this world. They are remembered even today by their noble deeds and words of wisdom. Whose quotations are these? Take help from the clues and write their names. First one, do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. Who has said this line actually? Lord Buddha. You know who is Lord Buddha? A philosopher, the founder of Buddhism. There are only two ways to live your life. One is as though nothing is miracle. The other is as though everything is miracle. So it is said by Albert Einstein, who is actually a German physicist who has given us the theory of relativity. And he has won many Nobel Prizes. Next one here. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is mystery. Today is a gift of God. Which is why we call it the present. Who actually has said these lines here? Bill Keane. And who is he? He is an American cartoonist. Okay. So next one here. Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. Okay. So who has said this line? Ralph Waldo Emerson. Who is he? He's an American philosopher and poet. His poems are well known. Clear. Now next one is here, fifth one. Throughout life people may make you mad, disrespect you and treat you bad. Let God deal with the things they do, cause hate in your heart will consume you too. Who is he? He is Will Smith, an American actor and a rapper. He is very famous with his raps. Okay. Now next one here. Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. So it is said by Oscar Wilde. He is an Irish poet, means a poet from Ireland and a famous playwright. His dramas were famous. Clear. Now, but the next one, you only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. Who is a Mae West actually, and she is an American writer, a screenwriter, and a comedian. Okay. Next one, imperfection is beauty, madness is genius, and it's better to be absolutely ridiculous than absolutely boring. Who is she? She is also an American actress, but a model and a singer. So life is a dream for the wise, a game for the fool, a comedy for the rich, a tragedy for the poor. Who has said these lines here? Sholem Aleichem. Okay, and he was a Yiddish author and playwright. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. You must be knowing this figure. He is none other than Mahatma Gandhi, our father of a nation. Children, see beta, these famous quotes are said by famous writers, famous people, okay? And we have to remember these people by this quotation. Their quotation really motivate us and instill good habits in us. Okay, now but the next topic here, the next page number is 11, and that is abbreviation. This topic comes every time for 10 marks. Okay, every time in the question paper you will find this question. Write the full forms or here abbreviations. Abbreviations are short forms of the words or phrases. They are generally the initial alphabets only. So in this chapter you have to elaborate this abbreviation. Right, the full forms of the abbreviations and the abbreviated forms of the phrases given below. The first one is AAI. Okay, and all the initial should be capital. Airport Authority of India. A capital, in airport authority, again A capital, of O capital, India, I capital. Okay, so when you describe, elaborate these full forms, so be sure that you start it with the capital letter. All the initials will be in the capital letter, otherwise you will not be awarded with the marks. Next one, AIR, All India Radio. Okay, again A capital in all, I is capital in India, and radio R capital. BCCI, it is Board of Cricket Control in India. Again I'm repeating here, Board of Cricket Control in India. Okay, here you make it capital O. Okay, then come here CB, it's given here, this is given here, Central Bureau of Investigation. What it is actually, it is CBI. Okay, Central Board of Secondary Education. What actually it is CBSE. Okay, next one is your CPWD. It is Central Public Works Department. Again we have to pay attention here, all the initials should be in capital. Okay, next one is a DRDO, Defense Research and Development. Clear, beta? Next one, again we are given here geostationary launch vehicle. So what is it? GSLV. What we have to write here? GSLV. Next one, Indira Gandhi National Open University. It is a very famous university. Okay, so we also call it IGNOU, IGNOU, IGNOU. Then come Indian Institute of Management. Okay, it is known by IIM. Okay, short form of it. Then Indian Institute of Technology, IIT, a very famous institution. Okay, so it is called here IIT. Next one is here IMD. It will be Indian Meteorological Department. Again here Indian Meteorological Department. Then come INSAT here, Indian National Satellite System. Indian National Satellite System. ISRO is also called here Indian Space Research Organization. Indian Space Research Organization. ONGC, it will be called here Oil and Natural Gas Commission. Oil and Natural Gas Commission. Clear? Again you please make it A capital, Oil and Natural Gas Commission. PA, permanent account number, will be called here PA, and Public Sector Unit, beta, PSU. Then come Public Works Department, will be called PWD. Research and Analysis Wing will be called RAW. Okay, Research and Analysis Wing will be called RAW. Then comes South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. It will be called SAARC, SAARC, SAARC. Okay, children, see, only thing is that we have to elaborate these full forms, and the main thing is that only we have to begin with the all in like capital letters only. This question comes every time in the question paper, so do learn this. Okay, again these abbreviation also enhances your IQ level, so do remember it, do learn it.